Hi, welcome to Flying Fish Yoga. This short sequence focuses on your neck, shoulder and upper body. If there is any sort of kink in your upper body, it helps to eliminate it. It supports healthy flow of energy through your heart and lung meridian. This sequence is also suitable for elderly people. Since most of the moves are in seated position, you can grab a chair, sit in a comfortable position, cross leg, roll your shoulder back and open up your chest. We start with rolling the shoulder. First of all, bring your chin higher than a normal place. Bring your gaze up to the ceiling. Roll your shoulder back. Breathe in and out. Try to squeeze your shoulder blade as close as possible. We do it 10. Bring your neck down. Place your fingertips on top of your shoulder and create circular motion with your elbows. We do 10 times. Opposite direction. Release. For the next move, bring your chin parallel to the floor. The head is stacked on top of your spine. Shoulder is straight and the spine is straight. And the tailbone is grounded on the floor. Without lifting your shoulder, your right shoulder, bring your right ear down towards the shoulder. Next, bring your right hand above the head and place your hands over your right ear and slowly bring the head down. Neck tension is one of the most common complaints. Taking a few minutes to stretch this area can help you release stress and improve your posture. Slowly release your hands. Bring the head up. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Bring your left ear close to your left shoulder. Left hand goes above the head. Place left fingers on the right ear. Push your head slightly towards your left shoulder. Make sure there is a space between your shoulder and your ears. Hold it for 5 count. Pull your shoulders away from your ears. Keep your chin elevated. Slowly release your hand. Bring your hands down. Next, bring your hand above your head and place your finger behind your head. And for the next move, breathe in. Open up your chest and your elbow. Bring the gaze above to the ceiling. Breathe out. Bring the elbows close to each other and round your back and breathe out. Again. Open up your chest, open up your elbows, push the chest forward. Gaze to the ceiling, breathe in. And round your back. Bring the elbows close to each other and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, open up the chest. Bring the elbows close to each other and breathe out. One more time. Elbows close to each other, let the elbows kiss each other. Last one. Open up, open your chest. Bring the shoulder blades close to each other. And breathe out. Release. For the next move, place your right palm on the floor next to your hip. Bring your left hand straight next to your ear. Slowly bend your right elbow and bring your gaze towards the ceiling. The sit bone, both sit bones are attached to the ground. Breathe in and out. Come back to the center. Bring your right hands straight next to your right ear. Place the left palm on the floor next to your hips. Bend your left elbow and slowly stretch your side. And bring your gaze towards the ceiling. Breathe in and out. Come back to the center one more time. Left hand comes above the head. Right palms on the floor next to the hip. Right elbow bends. Gaze towards the ceiling. Sit bones attached to the floor. Deep breathe in and out. Try to open up your rib cage. Come back. Right hand goes above the head, next to the ear. Left palms on the floor. Left elbow bends. Stretch your right side and gaze towards the ceiling. Come back to the center. Release, bring your hands down. Place it on the knee. Next move is archer arms. Bring your right hand next to your ears. Bend your right elbow. Place it on your back between your shoulder blade. Left hand comes straight in the shoulder level. Turn the palm towards the back and bend your left elbow and grab your fingers. Try to pull the elbows away from each other. Sit straight and open up your rib cage. Breathe in and out. Head is straight. This asana encourages deep breathing by opening up your chest and improving flexibility in your shoulders. You will also feel your upper arms and upper back stretch and strengthen. Lengthen your spine to keep your back straight. Feel your rib cage expand from front to back and side to side as you breathe in and out through your nose. Let go. Open up your hands, and this time left hand goes above the head. Place it between your shoulder blade. Right hands open up in shoulder level. Turn the palms to the back. Bend the elbow and grab your opposite fingers. Pull the elbows away and head is straight above the spine. Pull your elbows away from one another to keep your chest open. Let go of the right hand first and then left hand. Next move is bow tie. For the bow tie, lay down on your stomach on the floor. Come into your forearms. Cross your left hands over your on the armpit and right hands over your left shoulder. Elbows are in line with each other, and slowly try to press away the hands from each other and place your forehead on the floor. Breathe in and out. And if you feel there are too much of a strain on your shoulder, if you have yoga block or pillow or anything that you can use it as a support. Place it under your forehead and place your head over the yoga block. This asana provides a deep shoulder stretch using your own body weight to get into position. It's a calming pose that will help you open up your upper back. Bring your right palm on the floor and left palm on the floor and come back to your forearms. Again, this time we change side. Cross your right hand under your armpit, left armpit, and cross your left hand over your right shoulder. While the elbows are in one line, press the hands and use your body weight and push your body a bit forward and place your forehead on the floor. And if it's too much of the strain again, use yoga block to support your forehead. 5, breathe in and out. Slowly lift your head. Bring your left palm on the floor first and then right palm on the floor. Stack the palms on top of each other and place your forehead above the palms. Last move is the laying chest opener. Open up your right hand into the shoulder level. Bend your elbow into 90 degrees. Place your forehead on the floor. Bring your left palms next to your chest and slowly push your body towards the side. Come on your right ear. Bend your legs on top of each other and relax your body. To make it more intense, bring your hands, place the back of your palm on your lower back. Bring back your upper leg. If you feel any pain, sharp pain, come out of the position. Bring the leg together. Bring the left palm next to the chest. Turn the body to the center again. Place the forehead on top of your right hand. Open up your left hand into the shoulder level. Bend your elbow in 90 degrees. Bring your right palm next to the chest and turn the body into your left ear. And to make it intense, place the back of your right palm on your lower back. And this energizing asana helps contract the excessive shoulder hunching you do while driving or sitting at the desk. This pose also improves overall posture and shoulder flexibility while requiring minimal effort. Slowly bring the knees together. Place the palm on the floor, roll back. And slowly come into the seated position. We finish the practice with 3 breathing. Bring your palms over your head, breathe in. Bring the palms in front of your chest and breathe out. One more time. Last one. Namaste.